Good morning.
Good morning.
This morning we are making desserts for you. A pineapple upside down cake, only using 5 ingredients.
Not a banana upside down cake.
Not a banana, pineapple.
Oh, sorry.
Bananas is the next.
Oh yeah.
Nothing measured by the weighing scales. Every measure is done by cup. So okay, you haven't got to worry about measuring anything. It's all done using any kind of mug cup, as long as they are the same and for the ingredients that we're going to give to you.
Okay, so while Hayley's measuring out the ingredients, we need to line our tin. We can do this with some butter and sugar. So, just half a bowl of sugar, big dollop of butter, or any spread, really, doesn't have to be butter. And we just sort of soften this together, mix it all up, until we're able to spread it onto the tin.
Okay then, so measuring out the first lot of ingredients. First cup, we're adding 4 eggs. How's it going, Deb?
Fine, yeah, we're softening it up nicely.
Nice workout for your biceps.
Right, you want it really nicely coated. Don't be shy, let's get it all in there. Okay, so I've lined the tin thoroughly with the butter and sugar mixture.
Good
So
job.
I'll pass that to Hayley now so she can put lay the pineapples in.
Yeah. Obviously the upside down cake, so the bottom, the pineapple layer, when it's finished, it's going to be the top. So literally, we just are using the tinned pineapple rings. Some people put a little cherry or some fruit in the middle of the rings if you want to as an option. I'm not going to overfill that. We got one spare, you can eat that. Yeah?
Absolutely.
And that's layered ready. So as we said, mixtures are all in cups. So the first thing Deb's going to do is mix 1 cup of sugar.
Thank you.
2 cups of butter. Now, it sounds a lot. Okay, nicely mixed. What we need to do then is to add the eggs. Like I said, 4 eggs in from the cup. Add these one at a time. Okay, don't put them all in at once. And just be mindful that it could split. If you do see any signs of your dough splitting, don't worry about it. Just whisk and whisk it until it comes through.
So that didn't last long, did it? An electric whisk would be better.
1.5 cups of flour. Okay, 1.5 cups of flour. Diolch yn fawr.
Like so. So I've been whisking so vigorously.
Broken my equipment.
I've broken Hayley's equipment.
Right, now we're going to add Deb's deliciously whisked cake mix into the tin, covering the pineapple. Now this goes into the oven, 180 electric,
Gas mark 4.
gas mark 4, for about 40 minutes. Okay, so now's the big
Drum roll.
It should.
If I decrease the pan well enough, it should turn out.
Okay, we'll see. So 1 sharp movement. Here first. Here we have it. The upside down pineapple cake. That's us done for today. Hope you enjoyed our little sweet treats.
For the time being, stay home.
Stay safe.
I'm going to see
See
you
you
later.
soon.